We have shootings at Go Fast Boats, and we have missiles being authorized for launch. What does that mean to us? Absolutely nothing. We don't trade any of that. All we care about is our dark pools and our AI triggers and risk management. Now, in previous videos, we had said to you that the 15-minute was showing upside, but the 1 hour and the daily were showing downside. So what do? We watch intraday levels, right? If our support holds, we go long. If our resistance hits, we go short. But we did mention that because we had hit a long resistance on our 1 hour, we did take a short because we saw a trigger at 660. Well, today we actually had to close that out. Why? Because the 1 hour started to trigger long. So what do? You gotta manage risk. We can go to 660, we can go lower, right? We have support at 642 on the daily, but we know we have a dark pool at 675 that's waiting for us. So what do? We move our stop loss. I personally closed out the short. It paid beautifully. I just had to wait. I can always reinitiate if we go up and there's still a short trigger, we'll take it again. But when the longer time frames are telling us that we're going higher, you got to be smart about it. So we're going to take a look at that together. And so we had said that we had seen a long back here up to the 669 area where it was our AI trigger, and then an overshoot into the 670, 672 area. Here is where I had mentioned in a previous video in this area. I believe it was yesterday, the day before, that we had a downside trigger up here, but we knew that 675 could hit, right? So I took a short because the AI was saying possibly down to 670. So we took our short, held through all of this, right? Held through all this price action. And then today, boom, we collapsed on the news, whatever the AI found that it saw. Now the trigger was for 660, which was our puts. But what do? Because 660 is down here. Right here on this candle, the 1 hour trigger started going long. So what do? I put a very, very tight stop loss on my remaining puts, and I let the rest of them go. I keep 1 or 2, 90% out of them, and then I start going long. Why? Because we know we have a 670, 675 dark pool. So what do? On the recovery of 664, I'm long. 665, the infamous 666, 667, are still there. So as I'm green, I'm moving my long. Now with long positions, I go heavier because we go up more than we go down.